Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 getting new tech. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung is going to use new technology in Galaxy Z Fold 4 and some components of Galaxy S22 Ultra, which I already talked about in my previous video. Meanwhile, Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to get a tough competition where Vivo X Fold is going to launch on 11th of April and later Huawei Mate X. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch in August and there are chances that we'll get Galaxy Watch 5 series get along. Almost all of the specification is getting confirmed as we are proceeding to the launch. First it was processor, later it was display, and now a new tech Samsung is going to use in Galaxy Z Fold 4. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Flip 4, which one you wanna get this year. Remember, I talked about single hinge design in upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4. Yes, it was true. And here we get a confirmation. Anthony on his Twitter account posted a picture, stated that Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to be the first foldable phone to have a single hinge design, which makes this phone lighter, thinner, durable, and can cut the cost. Meanwhile, Galaxy Fold 3 uses two hinge design last year. It is also clear that we are not going to get a new design on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 except the new camera housing, but Samsung is working on its core to make the better device with the same design, and Samsung is predicting record sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 ahead of its launch. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the latest Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus with 8GB of RAM, an under-display camera which can potentially use it later in the Galaxy S23, a Super UTG ultra-thin glass for the inner display, and S Pen edition which we all wanted in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 last year. Also, Samsung is adapting the Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras. 108MP main lens, 12MP ultra wide, 10MP telephoto with 3x zoom. But there will be no periscopic lens in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We can bear the old design, but only if these changes will give a better user experience, because these changes will not only affect Galaxy Z Fold 4 but the later foldable phones from Samsung. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Flip 4, which one you gonna get this year. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.